test le shu yin the give love to so the give love to the top got the na the not lost in the linear equation one variable lost in you the and lost in the catch pair catch is the money basic the dimple lover she's a day then the marriage the tarochi shu yin then the butane among the give what mutin to na I guess in Shimbo get the go to le this way a 당보들랑 아파마다 보고도 망고치기 기지 태용도 근데 앙질 온라인 라베 아 되는 거 건 따주 따에 메딩아 수조가 시슈에 단다 들주와 임바나 there 모델 나침바나 모델디 어디 class 10 maths 아들 고치와 단다 하고 고도라 들 고저 앙젤로선 융땅민도 넘버 랭게 정기 치료치 라 아니 다른 시 들주와 데 모델 완전 class 10 maths 다른 시 제 들죠 보고 임바나 늦었네 거 고야서 늦다로지 쉬이 라 늦었만 게게 말아서 라보고 제 아니 들 쭉쭉다 고야 임바나 어때나 늦다로지 남게 시기는 요 디디 클래스 9다 클래스 11 동안 디다로 지슈이 때문에 다들 나가 저기 저기와 linear equation in one variable 저는 뭐랑 아주 simple equation 에 장을 저 럽센디 Okay, linear equations, sorry, as checking linear equations in one variable. The tamang option to top sheet to the linear less the tamazore line is layer. And linear lago use it digital D class 9 jungle. The Dana de chimera linear lasna variable gay power toshu di 1 in badala linearly. Example get those 4x plus 1 도스테나 다 equal to sign with the polynomial so this is the there karna v x put to the x power 1 there y put to the y power 1 team at the much is about 1 team much what up there the ang the test gilan yimbo to the sometimes ba katen to the chest the sometimes so the x y that the variable 이거도 말하니도 봐 two variable the linear polynomial in two variables variable 말하니 is a linear polynomial in two variable that then variable 1 x 찍어도 variable 6 이번에 네 나오는 파워 토셔가도 될라 x square power 2도 오케이 the power 2 is 될라 linear polynomial 랭말 될라 quadratic polynomial power 1 power 2 quadratic lead the not linear 다 내가 가서 가장 linear polynomial in one variable 봐 variable 이게 강아지죠 변시다 7x minus 5 this linear polynomial equation 봐 equal to sign 이게더라 equation is equal to sign 아니 answer가 찍버려. 딘선이 텐스나 answer 가 3라 그랬어. or 8라. 딜 equal to sign 이거더라 equation 일. 제가 linear equation in one variable 봐 from 딘데 이거들라고. 이게 찍왜 이게 되게 파워 1인 받더라. That answer is 7x plus 6 is equal to 2x minus 1. Or the variable 1, variable 2, or the power 1 into the variable x machine made, chick machine made 1 variable check. Or the power 1 is a linear. Equal sign is a equation. Variable chick in back and chick zoom gay, and chanung ang see get the slur. That linear equation get again at about she must that chick to touch your did. Okay. That the ring also get to the bob long as basic jars. That the near as a Gauto. So the Gala main thing of the topic theory cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, Malingela, cross multiplication not only to catch it, bracket mouse the young, bracket go. So then get among you bracket go to solve equation, verification of the jail to solve Chilande. Or solve $1 basic thing of the jungle, left hand side. That was shake a shortcut draw right side. Or left hand side plus in a transport china was a minus late to this. Left hand side minus in a but transport china plus late to this. Left hand side multiplication in a but transport china division late to this. Or left hand side division in a but transport china. Doctor, right hand side sukena, tenzi in Tomzi sugena, tenzi, or Guzi sugena, Juzi, sugena, Guzi dos. Doctor Chatuda. That is this the column D, Mother Tenduma Chance out. That the Pagitani, Mother Gallo control. Just solve $1. First step, we'll learn how to remove the bracket. Bracket equation. When Chashana Dustina. Tamang a bracket at one side of the equation showing bracket D, Chochilical, Lavayan pushing Davi. First step, you have to remove the bracket. Bracket mouse. Bracket mouse 3 the bracket the part sign with the 3 the bracket now only cousin some of the multiply chase loud. Term sum and term sum multiply chase. The term machine so you have to multiply both term by 3. The 3 x multiply 3x. 3 negative 4 multiply with negative 12. Then x the end the word, x dash. Tustunda. Is it on your door? Me don't know, is it on your 2 gi the nigger multiply 2 multiplied by x. Sin chicken you know, we get positive, integer going to reversing the 2x. Sin logarithm multiplication, the product will be negative 2 times 1, 2 equals to 4. Okay. That integer I was saying with the distribution property of multiplication addition, this chain root. That didn't know item C, del x door. So add or subtract the items. That they positive. Sign chipo some day, same sign or positive in the answer positive leaders and 3 plus 2, 5. To knock allow 3x to knock allow na. This is the x in the sum plus x plus x low. 2x plus 2x to knock allow na. Sorry. X plus x level does. That answer some damn shaking answer to the they do so now. Kingdom x has today. Singular. Some positive x has to check me some seeing out us. Positive x in the 5 dos. That shortcut you add the coefficients 3 plus 2, 5. Curry 5 x to x the mashi. Variable. Variable power programmata. Penchashang a penny do or penny and young a pen sum dona. A pen matches pen di care, ming di charte x. You add the items x and 2x, 3x and 2x, we get 5x. So these two are items, negative 12, and these two are items, integer do, these two are items. Domina, sign chipoina, common sign tis and doms. 12 plus 2, we get 14, is equal to 4. That dinima, she needs class 7 later. Tangatikado. First, 14 the third, 14 the mouse or something. 14 for transpose $10, 10 door, or 10 parking a hachido. Don't check door, so 5x is equal to 4, minus parking plus. Negative positive the pajamada. I don't sign Mamutus. plus minus minus plus multiplication division division multiplication 된다. subtraction 인데 together addition check this. 아니 14. Nyala igodi left hand side right hand side tambo igodi anje shiwa. And digital part transpose igodi paake. So get 5x is equal to you add we get 18. Ta x la 5 multiply chi do multiplication opposite ka do. Paake na division. So x is equal to 18 divided by 5. Ta kat tang tung min na ko anje section division. Ra whole number sum to na division anje sha. The example new thing that sad niggle bracket you get. You pen mouth to test yard. Okay. 2 y minus 3 minus 4 y plus 1 is equal to 3 y minus 2 this is 10 or bracket on both sides. That's which again first step you remove the bracket left hand side bracket remove right hand side bracket remove so 2 you multiply to this and multiply over here 2 multiply by y 2y 2 multiply by negative 6 sin log you do not product will be negative 6 sin log product will be negative 4 multiply by y 4y y then she cellular sin log negative 4 multiply by 1 4 that's which again 3 multiplied by y 3y sin log so product with negative and 3 times 2 we get 6. Now you add all the like terms in the left hand side and all the like terms in the right hand side. So we have left like terms are over here y like terms and like terms are number jang to singular. So sin log is number che sin t ta log is number ang che ta t ra an 10 4 shine ni ma 10 we get 2 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 and correct 2 y 2 raise. Okay. Sign chip we have the common sign add. The integer singular negative 6 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 10 which is equal to over here these two are unlike terms so we cannot add or subtract. So we write copy down. There. That then you got variable chochigusha. Mother mang to lava variable share you get the negative 2y that the sign me the plus again minus 3y minus 10 is equal to negative 6 there tama minus the paki in the sign din chu do negative 5y is equal to negative 6 anja shi tamo de that the minus 10 the minus paki na plus the 10 paki na bam check do 내가 number jang side ba ma koni tungenda 10 so negative 5y is equal to 4 the integer log the sign log na number che sign t 10 that positive 2y ma that y la 5 negative 5 multiply chi do multiplication opposite division y is equal to 4 anje shi division the y ke kharik multiply chi do y la negative 5 multiply chi do negative 5 to y the rational number now stand from negative sign y sha yoma yamni kilosha yamna gangsha lela de sege gangsha this is the answer this solution sedan there the bracket the abo ma she na achim as cross multiplication yang do the then mazala fraction equality 이 fraction 이게 되는 게 답은이가 좋은다. 그래서 걸레라 되버시다. 봐. 이 스페셜한 게 두스나. 즉 남기 베이직 드로잉. 베이직 드로스나. 오케이. 얘라 안기 x 이거 쭉 올라와 샬라. So x upon 3 들어가지 샤스. 3 upon 4. 대 마이너스 파기나 플러스 셔그레스. 봐. 다 너무 뒤지게. 지금 아주 아주 망고처럼 라션 넘버 강에 테스트 해. 제가 말고 fraction of the junction box test leader. The denominator log do denominator chipos like fraction cinema denominator chipos la denominator LCM says. LCM 4 and 2 4. So 4 1 is 4 you multiply 1. Multiply with 2 times 2 equals 4 you multiply with 2. Hari denominator multiply chipos 야 numerator multiply 마찰라 가리 규로에네 보실 지고 제가 규로를 했어. So we get common denominator 4. So 3 plus 1 times 2 we get 2. So x upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 4. The x la 3 divide chuda. Division opposite kar do. Multiplication. Multiplication you always write at the numerator. Division na kadini denominator ke asanda. 5 upon 4 damang yar shu so adi. That is 3 go do guzi pagena guzi punchel ke ake. The numerator and denominator for karta hai na common factor karta mein you multiply x is equal to 15 upon 4. The method chik dir. The this is yard the denominator mango is ration number si ya kala khabona ke mar step thangbo da denominator mass integral coefficient. So x upon 3 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 4. This is all. Okay. So what are the denominators? Denominators are 3, 2 and 4. You find LCM of this. LCM of 3, 2 and 4 LCM say. So LCM says here also there. 3, 2, 4. Oh, 2 money. 3 and 2 mara 1 and 2. The 2, 1 and 3 sumbola number divide the 1 machine do. Made by India must say down what. You multiply 3 times 2 1 is 2, 2 3 6, 6 2 is 12. So LCM is 12. So LCM 12 12 term chik term new term sumba equal to gap get in the right hand side le multiply che left hand side le term term samala and LCM mondu che. Mari the 12 gi you multiply to x upon 3. Minus sign 12 gi you multiply to 1 upon 2. 12 gi you multiply to 3 upon 4 multiplication. Or the method shows complex equation samang or simple equation papa bet. Dinin papa bet. Ding example test la break it go. Oh din pap. Lela char. So cut. Denominator 1 4. 4 multiplied by x 4x minus 2 1 is 2 2 6 6 is equal to 4 1 is 4 4 3 is 12. 3 multiplied by 3 9. Ko equation lela chasa. Then she collect about the ration number and solve chuke masa. There are method denominator katne LCM se order. Denominator LCM se na LCM 12 also or 12 gi multiply all the terms. Term khazar sang ma che. Then right hand side term chi mushim do. Del ma. Term ni na term ni gal ma che. That nimal lelo chadura 4x is equal to 9 minus 5 na plus 6. So 4x is equal to 15 or x is equal to 15. X la 4 multiplication multiplication opposite division. Chance chik bara asde. To de. The de concept is na equation kale khala and solve che lela to. The equation kale kha chi mena. Ra equation kale kha do da. Tanga de sok we da de kids shen sa thing da single thing da. Tutorial pe ni do. Ra tuziking ma zo ya sang mar. Example ge to sene. The sene. The equation complex equation do. Okay, ration number denominator ration. 3 this da khala ona x da plus 1 ni ga thagu la orda. Dela 2x da 1 ni ga thagu es la. 4 the denominator simple swingda. Simple seola integral coefficient seola denominator means rational expression ne integral expression pop up. Papa dollar denominator ke LCM se. There are one chipu to the kujalo 1 year but denominator dina angi khari chipu den ti 1 year but 1 timuri kyo yo mar. Meaning you find LCM 3 4 and 1 LCM se. So LCM of 3 4 and Tau watching 1 theta is equal to 12. LCM of 3, 4, 1, LCM section of 12. Now you multiply all the terms by 3. So 12. 12 ki you multiply x plus 1 upon 3 minus transition 12 ki you multiply to 2x plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 12 ki you multiply to 1. So denominator 1 is assuming that. Okay. The denominator numerator no kartana 3 1 is 3 3 4 is 12 nga mara ang ma pa bin dang ja 4x plus 1 4 1 is 4 4 3 is minus 3 2x plus 1 is equal to 12 1 is 12 ta equation level 쳐서 당보 장 봐서 bracket 무치 the delay that definition is bracket 무치다 4 you multiply to x and plus 1 you get 4x plus 4 negative 3 you multiply to 2x and plus 1 negative 6x negative 3 is equal to 12. Now over here we have 4x and negative 6x are like terms. 6 here you have common sign. It's a larger number sign t. You subtract, we get 2x. Sign lower the number chair sign t, 4 chair 3 and 1 is equal to 12. Negative 2x. Then plus 1 the pocket. Plus na pocket na minus. You right inside and then you write over here. Negative 2x is equal to, you subtract, we get 11. So x is equal to 11, multiply again, divide, we get negative 2. So x is equal to negative 11 upon 2. Go later. That's what you got a variable in. Right, in that thing. Okay, that was m x 3m plus 1 upon 2 plus okay, m minus 3 upon 5 is equal to okay, m plus 1 upon yes, it's 3 to say that. Right? Okay. Third term we get the first term thangbu di che, second term and third term. Right side term jik to left hand side term ni. Or term sumba gi denominator meo se samna. Term sumba denominator meo se la you find LCM of denominator 2, 5 and 3. 2, 5 and 3. LCM 7 LCM of 2, 5 and 3 is 30. So LCM 30 in the way 30 you multiply this term, next term and third term. This one will share 30 3m plus 1 upon 2 plus 30 m minus 3 upon 5 is equal to 30 you multiply to m plus 1 upon 3 or term so much. Then denominator 1 15. I'll copy over here 15 3m plus 1 5 1 is 5 5 6 plus 6 m minus 3 is equal to 1 10 10 m plus 1. That's step you would break the muchi. Break me 45 m plus 6 m minus 18 is equal to 10 m plus 10. Okay, left hand side light terms to us 45 plus 6 we get 51 m. San lower door number chair sign t is subtract we get 10. That light terms mean to correct show in the 10. The 16 more the 10 da. Okay, the light terms variable need the variable to get 51 m plus again minus 10 m 10 sha then minus again plus 3 51 m minus 10 m 41 m is equal to 13. So m is equal to 13 divided by 41. So the equation collect hapo duzala denominator meos na ko lela do the ba ngati ga lela cha do integral di lela rational expression le integral expression di lela. That did to the answer ne ngazo class A lecture cross multiplication method later. Then guessing it na 4x plus 1 upon 5 is equal to 2x plus x end of charts plus 3 upon 4 dustena method later ngetong ra cross multiplication later. Okay, that step ding yang ngazo denominator same ba denominator LCM same ba LCM of 5 and 4 say is equal to 12. So 20. LCM of 5 and 4, 20. Okay. That 20 in the 20 multiply. 20 ki 4x plus 1 that 5 is equal to 20 ki 3 so 2x plus 3 upon 4 that divides the 1, 4. 4x plus 1 is equal to 1, 5. 5, 2x plus 3. Then the amount of substitution of bracket 16x plus 4, 10x plus 15. They change 16x plus again minus 10x. Transpose negative 15 plus again minus 4. So we get 6x is equal to subtract with 11. X is equal to 11 upon 6. This is the that's the cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication is the drive. 4x plus 1, 5 is equal to 2x plus 3 upon 4. Those two are less than data. LCM sort. LCM de page line bound. LCM down there. Okay. Denominator answer was less data. Data. Dig denominator 5 to decado. 5. So dig denominator 5 the power multiplier. Okay. Therefore multiply the denominator 4 to 4 the they multiply. Numerator 4x plus 1, 4x plus 1. The denominator 4 they multiply. Positive 2x plus 3 the 2x plus 3 they should do the 5 the power multiplier 5 the. The method cross multiplication later. So the LCM step this 7 more. They to this out there. So the money cross multiply the denominator power multiply cheese out. Positive denominator then multiply cheese. So she get 4 give you 4x plus 1 is equal to 5 2x plus 3. That the cross multiplication dollar left hand side term common denominator so that's right hand side term common denominator. Term is the bar as near class time bar or the pitch now. Term denominator numerator common denominator left hand side common denominator, right hand side common denominator. I should get cross multiply. I'll let you that the amount to me that this step you got. Okay, the match goes. That was the stretch of the day cross multiplication door. The cross multiplication equation I like how this now. Oh, this now. 2 3 5 so. Yeah. Oh, that the denominator 2m plus 5 g denominator 3m minus 1 the denominator. 2 denominator 5 is the common denominator. So I want to step that as said step 2 the denominator 3m minus the positive numerator multiplies. Okay, the denominator 5 the sujugi numerator multiplies. So this step the cross sign or the cross multiplication method. Okay, the 5 g you multiply 2m and plus 5 both. Find it that this and numerator 2 is multiplied by the denominator 3m minus 1. Now you remove the bracket. Bracket remove we get 5 times 2 equals 10m. Sign 2 point positive, we get 5 times 5, 25. And then multiply both term by 2, 6m minus 2. Then remember transpose singular is 10m plus again minus 6m. 당분간 negative transition 라고 예어치 transition다. that any packet some the positive do plus in the bar plus na pagina minus 25. You subtract, we get 4m. Sign 2 point, you get a common sign 27. So m is equal to negative 27 or multiply pagina divide. Okay, example get control. 1 upon 3x plus 4 is equal to 3 upon 4x minus 1. Understand? Check method or did numerator positive denominator did numerator positive denominator. 1 multiplied with 4x minus 1 is equal to 3 you multiply with 3x plus 4. Okay. 4x minus 1 is equal to 9x plus 12. Okay, we will some transpose 4x plus minus 9x. 12 minus plus 1. So negative 9 share negative 5x to 13. So x is equal to 13 divided by negative 5. X is equal to negative 13 upon 5. Cross multiplication less than the chance na denominator na chance denominator la term na LCM cells. Denominator sang LCM cells. LCM cells LCM multiply cheese la dingler. The conclusion de maso gari shortcut khalere cross multiplication le dos common denominator na and that the class 8 la cross multiplication method jor. Okay, do it. The ne number gewala tizek pen genge the number test double case ra the sum also number de which 당무 찍다니 거야 무슨 말 테마 가시 거니 건다 test go to do re 저는 개와데 앙스 교회나 인지 미치 number 따로지 number 따네 알시니스네 개와데 솔레스나 알레로 다드닝아 이것이 솔치다 드부샤기 라 다드닝 가서 이게 찌는데 number 개와 냠도 따로지 라 가지 이게 찌는데 야고 마시나 저는 고치워드네 이게 찌는 게 랑알라도 뭐도 제가 이게 찌는데 나로라 닝이랑이 두백이 이게 찌는 때 결정체 든 두백이 나로라 test 레라도 아니 개와리데 저리 개와나 당어서 디지털 에스타 speed 배치다 오늘 가고 speed 상황 때 정기 주의 오케이 아들 다 시기 라 안 넘버 랭에서 거니 따로 지수에